Nothing where this country see what will not go bend down. And they tell you, Ebola, Lassa fever not come. We not bend down. What if it Lassa fever that time? They say rat go come peace for your gari. If you chop up, you go die. For this country, rat where they live for your house for 5 years. Go get mine to kill you. Who go feed her? No, take her now. Who go feed her?
Valentine is in 7 days, right? And for some years now, men don't really complain of how women not they celebrate them on Valentine's Day, right? Men, are we together? So women, I want you to bring out biro and paper. Because the men, they try. You know, you put your hands together for all the men here. They complain saying they don't tire for singlets. When you give them singlets, they wash them 2 times, not up to off shoulder. You buy 2 seed of boxers. I remember last year, Valentine 2020, one woman buy 2020 brown new white handkerchief for her husband. We need to change the narrative, it's not good. I know what I buy for English school last Valentine. I know what I plan for this next week. So, number 1, when I write, this Valentine, surprise your boyfriend or your husband. Buy him PS5. Are you not listening to me? You can buy him iPhone 12. You can buy him this. Which number are they now? These are the things they like. Not be bossers, handkerchief, and singlets. Really check. Then number 4, you can just transfer money to his account. 1 million naira, 2 million. Then number 5 is very important. Blah. I mean, you know the fat. Number 5. I want you all to be quiet. Number 5. Make sure say for every tea where you go buy, you go use the ATM.
Some girls they get one with my WhatsApp. She can't post something for me and start to say hustle. It go pay. I can't ask her which hustle is the hustle. She said she dey run street. She say run street. The first thing say Naija. So I can't ask her say okay, which work did they do? She say dating. I say, which site that you dey bomb? Nigeria carry Kasha. She say she dey bomb Astas. Lobara. 64. South Coast. And some now Coronel. That's it. Normally, how often you dey cash out? She say, not daily. I said, no, really, I won't be cash out daily. Now people they tell us, your client, then you see them. She say yes, now she did with her client. I say no, not be Yahoo with this. Now runs. Now people they would explain to us, say that one way you call dating, not be dating, now binary, now you want to. Because now investment. And the way they see you, they like Bitcoin because sometimes they don't on top your client. And Bitcoin they go up, they come down, they go up.
You know that this country, if you try to oppress this country, they go oppress you. You get one small boy where they give minister, you're the warriors, NIN. The country, the oppressor now. You don't notice that NIM matter, don't. The boy one run self. They all go dig in fire, come. Now, Buhari, they promise some protection. If they holler that, if you don't register after 35, we block your line. You won't block this country line? To gather cook food for people. Ha. If they cook for you, you go shoko. Nigeria don't cook for the boy now. He don't believe fool. He don't leave this country. Nothing where this country see where we not go bend down. And they tell you, Ebola, Lassa fever not come. We not bend down. What if Lassa fever that time say? They say rat go come peace for your gari. If you chop up, you go die. For this country, rat where they live for your house for 5 years. Go get mine to kill you. Who go feed her? No, think on that. Who go feed her? That's not possible. Because this country is the only country where rats they're comfortable for homes. The only two they come out, come out. They pursue them like dog. Or you cook finish, they throw something, they can't eat. Sometimes for night, when I don't go sleep, they parlor watch things. You understand me? That's how our rat they behavior very coordinated. When we wake up, they sleep. When we sleep, they wake up. Then the next one they call, they say Ebola. What it be Ebola? What in this country they say Ebola? I say, I go ask one doctor, what's Ebola? He said, well, you know, it's a disease that came through animals that live in the bush, blah, 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 blah. Talk rubbish, finish. They call it, they threaten us that time. Bush meat, where they sweet, they say, no, they chop bush meat. The way I love bush meat. Now, I asked one doctor, I said, so, is there no remedy? He said, no. If you buy the bush meat and you cook above 60 degrees, the Ebola will die. Now, if now Oyibo land Ebola come, the whole world for collapse. This pandemic now, we first come their side. You don't see as the warriors. Ebola come here and I may die quick. Because Oyibo know they cook food where they done. So you don't know if you cook above 60 degrees. All of us for just get up. Ebola no get sense. It can come Africa. You know how to they cook? You buy bush meat, we get Ebola. You fair roast the bush meat above 60. Then you steam them above 60. You put her for bono soup above 60. You get the way you even put her for fridge. After spotter, you bring her again, warm them above 60.
So if you are here, you are a thief here. See people from Lagos there, and then get. See the casino, you get money well. If you want rock for that side, I beg. My charging points, they worry. Because if you tip my phone, you go bend. I don't know how that's the way you go to bend for you to charge. I beg. No rob me. I don't like problem. But even if you go rob me, try to be nice. If I come out, imagine say thief come block me, say, hello, can I rob you? I'll say yes now. Say, but not have charger is at home. Go follow me, go ask, I carry my charger and give her. How am I going to run for here? Rubbish robbery. You don't even stress yourself. What if you lost your voice when you shout? But by yourself robbers, they are very nice people. They say, but that court. Then they use taxi, they rob. They go rob you. First you go rob you, finish contact, you say, get out of my car. You go open door, come outside. Yenegua. Very harsh. Under the rain, as they say, the person they tell you, go boy, watch out your treasure. So what is the say, boy, what do you mean? You want to carry me play at it? You want to put that for your body? As you give her your phone, you still collect your money finish. Instead of me to tell you, say, get out of my together.
Our girls, this thing na advice and na beg I dey beg on her too. If you don't know how to speak English, blow whistle, we go understand. For UST here, now one get the boss. Excuse, the guy no gree. He put earpiece for the man tap am again. Excuse, he no gree. Now the man squeeze the cell pass, match am for shoe. The next thing we hear now, do you know what, ma'am? The driver look fresh. The driver say, he said what? The guy said no. So you know what to buy the shoe? Do you know what, ma'am? Now one elderly woman for back shout, ma'am. People do country way funny. Nigeria now finance say we need to learn something finish. Europe, if you dey watch ball after match, then they give man of the match to maybe the keeper wey save penalty or the player wey score hat trick. I go Rivers United now. Watch ball finish. It shock me. After match, then give referee man of the match. I call the shot. Why they give ref? What? He's a cheating. Come on, it's not fair. Now one guy will come. He sit down close to me. He tap me. He say he dey shout. He say look the back of the referee head. I look. I see plaster. He say nice one. He said two players they fight. One bust the other one head. He dodge. He bust referee head. He said that one and one. He said now look the referee. He eyelash. He said yes. He see plaster. I say yes. He said now the two coaches they fight as first half they finish. The other one won't blow the other one. He dodge. He blow referee. Now he contact me now. Who deserve the man of the match? Referee try. Country. Now see light everywhere now. See light everywhere now. They say let there be light. There was light. My area now, if light come with a fear, be 148,000. You say make we happy for light. My area now, if the flashlight, person the iron 5 shirt. Nigeria, country where you know if you do one thing survive. My neighbor where they sell beans. Mama Nkechi don't go open pharmacy last week. Why you open and say, if you chop beans, you pour, you drink medicine.